Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have brought on a few new lines for 2026, and we are now carrying ROXON Multitools like this Flex Companion Multitool. The part number is RXS503G. So I'm going to get rid of the packaging here, and includes a Phillips screwdriver and a saw, an awl tool with a threader, includes a flat screwdriver on the tip of the file on this side and the ruler on the opposite side. It includes a D2 steel blade, and the attachments are a comb that you can see here, and that takes up one slot, and it also comes with a pen needle and tweezers. This takes up 2 slots. So when closed, you can lock this so that you cannot open any of the tools. Or you can unlock it and use the slider, and that's going to start to open all the tools, and then you can select the tool that you want as you go. So the Flex Companion tool costs $49.99. We do offer free shipping on orders of $75 or more, so make sure to look at the other products that we carry. Please subscribe to be alerted to all other new products we are bringing on in 2026. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this for more how-to videos, discount codes, specials, and other announcements in the near future. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.